and picking up the new 2021 Titan. Quick walk around. We're here at the Lease Center, but this is a 2021 XD 4-wheel drive SL, fully loaded Mamma Jamma. There's Erica. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. This is first day of the new Titan, 2021 Nissan Titan XD SL, and got a whole 26 miles on it so far. Really like this truck. Take a look. Big screen, beautiful view. Here's Erica, camera, and trying to get this Corvette that's in the putt-putt lane in front of us out of our way. But nice, big, comfortable, powerful, everything you'd ever want. Much more you could say. Rides nice, doesn't it?
It does.
What else? Just, I guess outside again.
Look how pretty. Puny tundra.
And what we have under the hood is a 5.6 liter V8, 400 horsepower, 413 foot-pounds of torque, and the brand new 9-speed automatic. All the power you'd ever want. Sounds fantastic when you get on the gas. Wouldn't know it going down the freeway. Kick into the overdrive and it just scoots along 80 miles an hour. Not a problem. Quiet, rides nice. It's really, really, really good. I like this truck a lot. All LED headlights, fog lights, turn signals, everything's LED on this. It's got tow hooks, the front collision warning, chrome wheels. Just a nice truck. It's really nice. So, like I said, we just picked it up. We're going to go ahead and put some miles on it. We'll give you a little update here after you get more than 30 miles on it. But so far, so good. The Fender audio is just excellent. Loud, hard. Sounds good. Not just loud distortion, but sounds really good. And again, beautiful interior, wood grain. Seats, I'm 6'4", the seats go further back than I need. Memory on the seats, everything power, every kind of widget and thing you'd ever want. Tons of room in the back. You know, all real nice stitching on all the leather and everything like that. Just a really, really, really nice truck. I like this thing a lot. And again, we'll put some miles on it, let you know how it goes, hook up the car trailer, tow the race car. I don't even think we'll feel it in this one. But that's what I got for today. It's my new truck. I like it, and we'll let you know what we think of it when we put some miles on it. All right, thanks.